How to learn English easily. Friends, to learn English easily, you'll have to engross yourself in the language by listening to music. Listen English audiobooks, English news, read books, surround yourself with the language. Practice speaking with a co-learner every single day. Record yourself in English. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Immerse yourself in English. Read English books, articles, newspapers in English. Even if you don't understand, but you have to do it at least for a couple of weeks, months, and slowly and gradually you will feel interested in it. Practice speaking daily. So, you have to make time for yourself for practicing each day, every day, so that you will be habitual for talking. So don't forget to practice every day with the co-learners. Utilize online resources. Friends, there are so many apps are available to learn English language. So you just need to aware about it. Download those apps and practice over there with the co-learners. It celebrates your small progress. Hi everyone, I'm Babita Prajapati. You're watching my channel Learn English with Babita. Friends, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. So, without further ado, now let's dive into the topic. So the topic is here, how to learn English easily. Yes, friends, many of learners are there who are very enthusiastic to learn this language. So I'm here to talk about on that, how to learn English easily and effortlessly. So if you really want to uplift your English language, so watch this video till the end. Well, I'm going to tell you tip number first. Tip number first is immerse yourself in English. Yes, friends, if you want to learn English easily and effortlessly, then what you have to do, you have to immerse yourself by listening to music, audiobooks, podcasts, English songs, and English content as well. So if you are listening, definitely sooner or later you are going to understand all the thing. Watch English content only. Friends, there are so many content available on YouTube channel. So according to your choice, you have to watch. Whenever you're watching, watch it attentively so that it could be inculcated in your mind easily. Read English book, articles, newspapers in English. Even if you don't understand, but you have to do it at least for a couple of weeks, months, and slowly and gradually you will feel interested in it. So do that. It will really help you a lot. Surround yourself with the language, friends. If you are getting any opportunities to talk with somebody, so grab this opportunity immediately. Don't feel low down about yourself. You have to interact with the people in English who are already talking in English. So if you are surrounding yourself in the language, certainly you can understand all the thing. You'll able to elaborate your thought easily. Well, now let's move on to the next tip. So tip number second is practice speaking daily. Yes, friends, we all know very well without practice, we can't learn anything in an effective manner. So you have to make time for yourself for practicing each day, every day, so that you can be flexible on that and you will be habitual for talking. So don't forget to practice every day with the co-learners and find a language partner so that you can practice with them. You can talk with them in English. If you are talking with them, try to listen them attentively. What are they saying actually? So you have to practice. Join online groups. Friends, earlier we were using Skype app and we were practicing over there. So in that way, you have to join any groups so that you can practice every single day with the people. Record yourself in English. Friends, if you're not getting the partner, don't worry. You can record yourself because it is really very helpful for you to uplift your English language. Friends, if you are recording yourself at least for 1 minute, 2 minutes, that's enough for you. In that way, your English will be flexible and you will feel you are getting improvement beat by beat. So, you have to record yourself every single day. Well, let me tell you tip number third. Tip number third is utilize online resources. Friends, there are so many apps are available to learn English language. And of course, it would be free of cost. So you just need to aware about it. Download those apps and practice over there with the co-learners. It will really help you a lot. Now I'm going to tell you tip number 4. Tip number 4 is set goals and stay motivated. Now I'm thinking you'll definitely ask how to stay motivated. Friends, remember always, if you have realistic goal, then you will automatically feel the kind of motivation because it can give you the kind of burning desire inside you, right? So set realistic goal. Ask yourself what you want to do in your life, where you want to see yourself in your future. That can give you the kind of motivation inside you. And you will definitely stand for those work, whatever you have made commitment. If you're not feeling motivation, then you can speak some positive affirmation about yourself. Like sit yourself alone, close your eyes, say to yourself, I am worthy for everything. I can speak in English. If other can speak in English, why can't I? I'm here to give something different to this world. And I'll definitely fulfill my desire goals. So in that way, you can talk about yourself. You can say, I am speaking English fluently, confidently, and impressively. So in that way, guys, if you are speaking, if you're creating this kind of thoughts and feelings, then you will automatically feel energetic to do your work every single day. Now let's move on to the next tip. My next tip is don't be afraid to make mistakes. Friends, you need to make sure if you are making mistakes, then you are learning something new. Embrace your errors, your mistakes, because making mistakes are a natural part of learning process. If you are not making mistakes, you can't learn anything. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just try to expose your thought in front of anybody. You just have to reveal your ideas, your thought, if you're talking with someone. So do that. And talk, feel free. Connect with the people without hesitation, without fear. it will boost your confidence level. Well, I'm going to tell you tip number 6, and it would be my last tip. So friends, so friends, my last tip is seek feedback. Friends, in today's scenario, we all are here to learn English, to uplift our English language. And for a long time, we are making conversation. If you are talking with any tutors, trainers in English, then at the end of the conversation, or feedback about yourself, like how's your English, where you need to work on top of that. So if you're asking them, they will definitely give you wise advice over there. And in that way, you can know about your capacity, your ability. So friends, it was my tips and tricks. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching me and listening me. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.